Good morning students, I am Simi Sharma. Today I am going to explain the structure of sperm. Sperms are motile, flagellate and haploid structures. Haploid means single set of chromosomes. It consists of 4 parts: head, neck, middle piece and tail. Number 1, head. The important features of head, it is divided into 2. Acrosome means upper part and nucleus. Acrosome, it forms the conical tip of sperm and it is modified Golgi bodies, means this is the upper part, acrosome. Acrosome secrete a hydrolytic enzyme. That enzymes, it penetrate the line of ovum. Number 2, nucleus. It is the important part of sperm. Just behind the acrosome, this nucleus is present because it carries chromosomes. Sperm carrying X chromosome, that is known as gynospore. Sperm carry Y chromosomes, that is known as androspore. Number 2, neck. Its length is about, this is the part of length. Length 0.3 mu. It is the smallest part of sperm. It contains a pair of centrioles which are present at the center, proximal centriole and distal centriole. Proximal centriole, it is responsible for spindle fibers, and distal centrioles, it arises axial filament from middle piece to tail. Is it clear? Next, number 3, middle piece. Middle piece is a cylindrical part. Arrangement of mitochondria in spiral manner. This spiral manner of mitochondria arrangement is called Nebenkern. In this region, plasma membrane is also present. This type of arrangement is Nebenkern and it provides energy to sperm. Last means tail. Tail, its length is about 40 to 50 mu. Average length of sperm is 50 to 60, but tail 40 to 50. It is the longest part of sperm and it is responsible for movement of sperm in one liquid. Survival span of sperm is 24 to 48 hours, means 1 to 2 days. Small amount of cytoplasm is also present in this sperm. If it is present in head region, that is known as meninge. If it is present in neck region, neck is the smallest part of sperm. So if it is present in neck region, that is known as centroplasm. If the cytoplasm is present in middle piece, that is known as microplasm.